Welcome back from our Q&A sessions. Remember, keynotes, featured sessions, and Q&As will be available on demand. There are so many things that make this show special. For one, it's where we really get to know the amazing folks behind the partner ecosystem. It's such an honor to share those stories with all of you. So with that, let's send it over to Joe Rose.
Thank you, Seth. Now to highlight an exciting partnership. It's a cool collaboration that's creating opportunities for women in cloud and AI job roles. And we just brought it. We brought it by being the Pink Ladies. We're keeping it in theme for this. It is my pleasure to introduce Chetra Vedulapalli and Debbie Utek. Chetra is CEO and co-founder of Women in Cloud, and Debbie is the marketing lead for worldwide learning at Microsoft. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us.
So Debbie, I'm going to start with you. Sure. Tell me why it's important for Microsoft to invest in diverse talent development when it comes to cloud and AI.
Well, thank you, Joe Rose. We know that 14.2% of cloud computing jobs are women. That's not a lot, and it's not improving. And we know at Microsoft that we want to be inclusive and are for economic growth. That's super important to us, and you can't do that without giving people access to digital skills. So when my partner Laura Neumann and I were launching Azure training with Coursera, we really wanted to make sure to have a scholarship for women. So we partnered with Women in Cloud. The reason we partnered with Women in Cloud is they're aligned to our goals for inclusive workforce development. They have the audience that we want to reach, and they have the partnerships and engine to really be successful. So with that, we wanted to test 3 hypotheses. One is, how do we help women become job ready on cloud technologies? What partnerships do we need to help with credentialing and with job training? And then what does it take? What wraparound services will help them get the job?
So it's wonderful to hear the approach that Microsoft is taking, and it sounds like Women in Cloud was the ideal candidate. So yes. How did you go about implementing this partnership, Chetra?
At Women in Cloud, we are laser focused on creating economic access and taking collective action to create $1 billion of economic access for women, with a clear intention that women can be part of the workforce. As part of working with Debbie and Laura, what we realized was, let's reverse engineer to create a $100,000 job. What does it take? We realized was technical certification, career development skilling, as well as focused on hands-on training, were emerging as 3 critical skills. So as part of it, we realized that we should work on creating scholarships for women. So we partnered with Coursera and Microsoft to distribute the scholarships. So over the last 15 months, 3,000 scholarships have been given in 65 countries.
Wow.
And to advance more, we have also created more access to career development, but this work is still yet to be done.
Really sounds like this partnership is breaking the glass ceiling. Just quickly, what's next in this partnership?
So we are working on working with Debbie. Go ahead, Debbie.
Yes, so we are really excited to be here and talk to partners about what's really missing in this partnership, and that is hands-on experience. And for that reason, we created a cloud apprentice job program, and we're inviting partners today. We'd like 100 companies to sign up, partner with Women in Cloud, and pledge 1 to 3 apprentice jobs so that we can have more women in technology roles being successful.
That sounds amazing. It's a clear call to action. Well, thank you so much for being here. And if you would like to learn more, head to aka.ms/WIC Apprentice Program. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so much.